I swear I'm not naked, I have shorts on. Okay. Hey guys, what's crack-a-lacking? Just woke up from a nap, so we'll see how this goes. Alright. Hey guys. Woo! Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today we got a haul. I'm actually filming 2 hauls today, so I'm kind of splitting it up. This one is gonna be clothes specifically, and the other one's kind of just gonna be like the random extra stuff, just because I didn't want to have like I didn't want to have like a 15-minute haul, because you know those just get a little bit boring. But then you'll also get to see me twice in a week or in a whenever, because I don't really have a posting schedule anymore. Sorry about that. But okay, yeah. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Wasn't really an intro. Don't really know what I'm saying because
just woke up.
What day is it? What time is it? I don't know. So we're just gonna start talking about clothes, because that's what we all know I do best. This is like primarily Brandy Melville, because I had this thing and I was like,
Melanie, just go crazy, go stupid. Like, buy everything you feel like buying on Brandy.
That was a big mistake, okay? Brandy Melville doesn't let you return
shizball.
It's freaking annoying, and I want to
punch them.
Never buying online from them again. Nevertheless, some of the stuff is kind of cute, so I'm still gonna show you guys. So okay, so these 2 items were from my friend for Christmas. I know what you're thinking, like,
Melanie, Christmas? It's kind of a long time ago.
But we don't do that whole on time thing. But she got me these 2 Brandy shirts, and I really like them. First off, she got me the striped long sleeve one. I'm kind of colorblind, so I can't really tell you what colors they are. There's some burgundy in there, some blue. I'm all for it. I love striped. Ribbed, it's definitely like a fall piece, but I mean, I'll still wear it. I mean, we live in Washington. She also got me this top, which is like a sweater material, and it's kind of like a cardigan. It buttons down the front, and it's like a cream color. This kind of reminds me of like the First Lady or something. I don't know. I feel like I'd wear this if I was getting tea with Michelle Obama casually, like I do every Monday. But I think it looks real nice. I could definitely still wear this in the summer because we get those chilly days. This would look good with like a skirt or something, like one of those plaid skirts. I know they sell those at Brandy. I don't have one, but you know. Yeah. Okay, you know what sucks is when you like buy something and then you feel like you have to buy something else to go with that thing. Then you should just not buy either of the things. But Melanie logic just like, yeah, buy one thing and then buy a whole wardrobe to go with it. Dumb. Whatever. Thanks, Kyla. Love these. Super cute. Other things from Brandy. I got this top. You saw it in a photo that I posted. You saw it if you're a real one and you follow my Instagram and you like that photo, then thanks, love you. If not, then
get out.
Just kidding. Yeah, that's this top. When I got this, I was like, I don't really like it. I'm gonna return it. And then I was like, just kidding. The return quality is
booty cheeks.
So I kept it and then I wore it. It just has this little cut in the front, which I like because you can wear like a little necklace or something. It's also this nice baby pink color. I used to hate pink because I was like,
no, I'm a tomboy. I'm no girly girl. I don't wear pink.
And then Brandy Melville got pink, and then I was like, love it. You know how Brandy does that thing? They'll literally do anything and I'll think it's ugly, and then out of nowhere, love it. Like the thing with the baby faces, angels, whatever those are called, neon colors, pink, those butterflies. I used to think butterflies were hideous, and now I freaking love butterflies. You know, slap them everywhere. I'll buy it. Okay, I've been through 3 items and I've already talked for 6 minutes. This is going great. I got this top. This is like a purple color. I don't know. A periwinkle. I'm not sure. I was really afraid of these tops because they look kind of scoopy and I don't have boobs, so I was like, I don't know if these are gonna look good, but you know, I was feeling a little adventurous, so I got it anyway, and it actually looks really good on boobless little me, so I'm here for it, and I kind of want to get it in every single color. Kind of need to stop myself. It's just like a button-up thing. The top button always undone, and I don't know if it's supposed to do that. If it is supposed to do that, it's freaking annoying. Some girls just want to show them. Oh, I forgot, this shirt's also from Brandy. I love this one. It's kind of freaking tiny, very, very short. It's like a whole hand above my belly button, so that's not the best. When I saw this, I was like, oh, that's not gonna look good because I don't have boobs, but you know, I think it looks alright, so. Also, this is a try-on. You could probably already tell because I tried on those items, but I always like to mention it so that people don't slap me up over the internet screen. Yeah. Where was I? I got this top in this pink shade. I used to hate this pink shade. Now I love this pink shade. This is like my favorite top shape format, not the right word, from Brandy. It just has the little lettuce trim around every little nook and cranny. Really dig it. So I got it in this pink color. And then I also got it in this blue color. Yeah, like it. No clue what it's called. You know, they have all these names like the Bryn top, the Lynn top, the Min top. I don't know. They should name a top after me. They really should. I also got these two tops. I got it in white. Yoo-hoo. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Donde? Donde? Found it. I also got it in black because I'm a basic bee like that. These are helpful for wearing. It sucks because it's like $20 for literally a scrap of fabric, but you know, that's okay. I also don't always like wearing tube tops because I feel like my armpit fat like bulges out of them and it looks kind of like wonky, but you know, it's okay. I also hate wearing tube tops because I hate wearing strapless bras. I don't know what I'm talking about why I hate wearing tube tops when I literally just bought 2 of them, but I just figured I'd get them in the basic colors because I'm a basic girl like that. It's about to be summer, so I'm trying to be as socially acceptably awkward. Socially acceptably naked as I can. Okay, that was a struggle. Is this all the Brandy? Oh my goodness, I'm almost done. Okay, don't know why I slip into this little British accent. Usually I'm pretty insecure about that, but I guess not today. I also got this top from Brandy. Oh god. I got this top and it's just like a cardigan one. It's black, it buttons down, and it's a V. This one also, like the top buttons literally always come undone and it pisses me off so much. I wanted to return it, but then they wouldn't take my stuff back, so I was like,
frick you.
So now I have to sew this and fix it. I hate sewing. I'm bad at it. You know, I can't be walking around and the whole front of my cardigan comes like, psh. That's not cute, okay? So I think that's everything from Brandy, but I still have more clothes. Surprise, surprise. So, I got this top from Aviva, which is like Lululemon for girls who are tiny and can't afford Lululemon. No, it's the girls section. I don't know why I said it like that, but for people who want cheaper prices, just buy Aviva. Life hacks. Shop in the kids section. That's what I did. It's just a long sleeve mint athletic top. I wore it in my room decor video because y'all know moving furniture is a workout. From Aeropostale, I know what you're thinking.
Didn't that place close?
That's what I thought too, but no, it didn't. And I actually really like their stuff. I got this bralette. It's like a halter one and it's baby pink. I think it's freaking amazing. So yeah. And then I also got this top. It's just a long sleeve v-neck and it's like a seriously soft, which kind of sounds like the American Eagle soft and sexy or whatever. It basically is the same thing but way cheaper because I got this for $5 and the soft and sexy line's kind of expensive in my opinion. Yeah, it's really soft. That's pretty cool. From H&M, I got these pants. I wore them when I went to the little tulip fields and I thought they looked so adorable. They're like a corduroy material and they're a cream color. These were also on sale. Did I say they're from H&M? They made me look like I have a negative butt, like an inward scooping butt. They make my butt look even worse than it is. I know I don't have a butt whatsoever, but these jeans actually make it look like so bad. Yeah, really tragic. They were on sale for like $10 or $15, which is pretty cool. I also got this top from Dick's because I had a gift card. Just this Champion shirt. Yeah, funny story. It's because I didn't have a shirt with me and I wanted to work out. And so I bought this. But I also had a gift card and I actually really like this shirt. So, no regrets at all. It's a men's small and I like it. Still got more things that I thrifted. It was actually on Memorial Day, so they were only $1. Freaking amazing. So I got this Nike crew neck. It's a size large, but you know, I'm a size large, so it's okay. And it's this green color. Pretty cool for $1. It's a lot of fabric for $1. It'll keep me warm for $1. It's also in really good condition. That's pretty cool stuff. I promise I'll only have a few more things left. I got these 2 things from Forever 21. This top, I wore it in a video, I think. I don't remember which video, but I did. The size small. It was $10. And it has the little lettuce trim, which y'all know I love that. And it also has cute little dainty flowers on it, which y'all know I love that too. And I think this is so cute. And I'm pretty sure they sell a similar shirt at Urban. Oh my gosh, I want to shop at Urban so bad. I never shop at Urban, but recently I've been like just thinking about it randomly. Like I'll just be at home doing my homework and I'll be like, Urban. Then I got this top. Funny story, I saw this in store, I tried it on, I loved it, and then there was only one left. There was a hole in the armpit and I was
devastated.
So then I went home, I went online, and I bought it because making things happen, treating myself. Basically, it's this mesh little top, so I was imagining myself wearing this to school with some little pasties, you know? Just kidding. I thought this would look real nice with like a white tank top, a box tank top. Box, that's not what it's called. Straight cut tank top over it, or like a V tank top with little lace. That would be adorable. Either one would be adorable. See, but I don't have either of those tank tops, so don't really know what I'm gonna do now because I can't just wear this by itself. But you know, we'll figure something out. I only have 2 more items left. And they are from dun 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 dun.
PacSun!
I also have really been liking PacSun. I don't know why I said it like that. I was like, PacSun. I got some shorts because my shorts right now are not doing it for me and I felt like it. So that's what happened. Really, really like both of these. Got these paper bag shorts. They always have them on Princess Polly, but they're always out of my size on Princess Polly. So I got them at PacSun. Sorry, Princess Polly. I really, really like these. I'm a size 2. Love all of PacSun's denim. It's amazing. Oh, just kidding. I'm dumb. I'm not a size 2. I'm a size 22. I love all of PacSun's denim, their jeans, their mom shorts. And then I also... What? That was a bummer. That's gonna come. I also got these shorts. I was gonna do a thrift flip and replicate these and I might still do it, but I just like them so much and they spark so much joy in my soul that I was like, you know what, Melanie? Treat yourself. They're just the plain mom jeans, but they have these little
Freaking daisies
embroidered in them and they're freaking expensive and I was like, I don't even know how I'd wear these, but I just think they're so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, love that. Oh my gosh, I need some water. Get out of my frame. So those are all my purchases. Just kidding. I have a whole nother haul to film. Alright guys. Hope that you enjoyed this haul. Sorry if I was in a funky little mood because, I don't know. I just don't know. I'm in a mood, okay? Thanks for watching this video anyway. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, okay. Gotta film the second part to this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I heart you. I love you. Sayonara. Peace out, suckers. Just kidding. That was kind of mean. Love you guys. Bye.